Hello, welcome. Now let us understand and implement the merge commit. Let us assume you are working on a feature slash modulo branch, creating a function for modulo operation, and you will be doing multiple changes here and you will be doing multiple commits here. And assume this is your target branch demo slash target. Once you do the changes and multiple commits here, you are going to push this to the GitHub, and then we will be raising the PR, and then we are going to do a merge commit. That is, we are going to merge this feature with this demo target branch using merge commit, and then we will observe the behavior, how this commit history is displayed. The commit history before and after merge looks something like this. Let us assume this is a demo.target branch which is already having multiple commits, and you create this feature slash modulo branch using this demo slash target branch, and you start working on your feature modulo operation, and then once it is done you are going to push it, and then it will be merged. Once you do the merge commit, it is going to create a merge commit here also, and these commits which you have done on the feature branch itself will also be retained. That is, it preserves all the commits that you have done in your feature branch. We will use our existing repository and we will create this feature branch and target branch. We are going to implement this using our calculator repository. I will create one new branch demo slash target from the main branch, and then using that branch we will create this feature branch, and we will create one new JavaScript file and we will start working on that, and then we will be doing a commits, and then we will raise a PR, and then we will finally merge, and then we can observe the commit history. In the coming lecture we are going to implement this. Thank you for watching.